Want some more? Want some more? Ashton, you want to try giving her some?
Hi. Iona, what does Ashton have for you?
Iona.
Why don't you come on this side, Ashton? Oh, she ate it all.
So nice of you to help feed her. Oh. She looks like a fishy. Oh. Is that good? She looks like she's gonna like jump in the cup of water. I'm gonna go swimming.
She looks like she's what are you doing? She doesn't look like a baby. She looks like an adult.
Like an adult?
Oh.
What makes her look like an adult? She's got
Because I've never seen a baby drink out of a cup.
Oh.
And she has lots of hair too, doesn't she? For a baby.
Yes.
I think she's waiting
She has
for you.
teeth too.
She does have teeth. Right.
Yeah.
Oh. You're very good at feeding her.
I want to go up to the barn.
You know what Iona likes to eat? Avocado.
Yeah,
You like avocado?
You don't?
She loves it.
He did like it a lot. He just had too much of it.
I remember you telling me that.
Oh, hi. It's for short people.
Oh. Let's try this. To hold it.
I don't know why it would fall like that.
It fell on me.
Yeah, it's a bit strange. Did you think the water was cold? Scott, do you know how to lock this in place? Well, I guess it just locks, you just can't pull it down.
Alex will figure it out.
Hi.
Hi.
There goes the woods girl.
The woods girl?
She's off into the woods.
Oh.
You were so good.
Medicine.
You were so good with babies and your cousin. Isn't she cute? Why don't you go feed Iona so Grandma can see?
I know. Oh. Sweet little girl.
Oh, beautiful. Thank you.
Next.
Just wait.
I might need to lightly steam them. Maybe I'll throw them in with the spaghetti pasta. Or just before.
Just
boil them for
you won't get those any fresher.
a couple minutes and she'll have that for dinner.
Is that enough, Carrie Ann? Because I can get more.
No, that's good.
That's sandy still.
You are very sandy.
Yeah, we were down at the beach taking the inner tube out.
You want some more?
Oh, she's hungry, baby.
You know, she hasn't